What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Loopring, which has pumped up in value quite a bit over the last, I wouldn't say 24 hours, last 8 to 12 hours is pumped up 45%, as you can see, currently sitting at just under 39 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to invest? Is it too late? Is it time to sell if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high this crypto can go. And especially guys, with 2023 just around the corner, is this a must-have crypto in your wallet, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? And covering both short-term and long-term investors as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see on the Coinbase website, the market is up just above 2%, and Loopring has managed to gain the third spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours and has managed to gain a massive 45%. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 10% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 45%, over the week, 46%, and over the month, a massive 30%. Yes, he's been dropping quite a bit in early October and then fluctuating around the 25 cents, and right now has pumped up to 39 cents. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 470% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $292 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Loopring. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it has been getting a lot of attention recently with the pump. And obviously, we are going to see more investors, more sellers. If we go into the Coinbase website, they should have a trading activity. We've got 85% buy against 15% sell. So yeah, we do have a huge amount of money being invested into the crypto right now, with minority of the people selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it guys. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Loopring at just about 27 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 38 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well, meaning it is not realistic guys. Whenever we see steep lines on the MACD indicator, that means it's only basing it off the last couple of hours. As you can see, it's been pumping so much, the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case guys. I am expecting it to take a little step back over the coming 12-14 hours. So as I've mentioned plenty of times, I'm pretty sure you guys should know by now, whenever I see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies to Loopring. I am expecting more drops in value on this crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially dropping down to about the 30 to 32 cents target is what my predictions are. So do expect more red candlesticks across the next couple of hours. However, obviously, we are going to see peaks in between as well. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, looking very similar. Both the blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, going in a steep direction. Again, it is not realistic. So over the next few days, so I'm talking about next 7-8 days, so by the end of next week, I'm expecting an overall decrease in value on Loopring. I'm not expecting any major increases or anything like that. again guys, unless they've got any collaborations, any projects going on that can have a potential impact on the value of Loopring, at the moment nothing like that is predicted. So more or less it's very likely that we are going to be seeing it drop down in value over the next couple of hours and days as well. So again, for those of you asking, is it time to invest? Personally, I wouldn't really invest into it right now because it's pumped up so much. Is more than likely is going to start to drop down in value, which is going to end up in a loss. However, if you guys believe in the crypto over the long run, or if you guys do believe that it's going to keep going up in value, I'm not saying don't invest. It's entirely up to you guys if you guys want to invest or not. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys my predictions and my takes on this crypto. So let's go on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much better. We're not looking too steep at all, even though yes, it is looking steep. It's not as bad as the previous chart. So yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Loopring along the next couple of weeks. So I'm talking about mid-December to late December. So let's say towards the end of the year, I am expecting it to hit around 45 to 50 cents in target. But that is not from this point onwards. From this point onwards, I'm expecting it to drop down in value to about 30 cents and then slowly and steadily gain value to around 45 to 50 cents. And again, this may change according to how the crypto market performs. For example, if we do see any major increases in value, or for example, major crashes in the crypto market, such as Bitcoin dropping to 10-15k, yes, we are going to see major drops. However, if we do see Bitcoin, for example, going to about 35-40k, then yes, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, including Loopring. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone, guys, which is not looking too great. And we have been trading in the red zone since about March, April earlier this year. And we've just been getting worse and worse and worse along the last few months. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit around 98 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from Loopring anytime soon. So more or less, guys, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year and potentially most of next year as well. We are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go. But again, hopefully we should be able to do that along the next few months. It is going to take time, but as long as we move in a positive direction, we should be good. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Loopring, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low do you guys predict Loopring to go in 2022. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive comments as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I click off the video, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Take care and peace.